Lacazette's flick. It's Aubameyang! The beneficiary.
Hello again, this is the Military Gooner. I want to say thank you very much for tuning in and enjoying the content. Please continue to subscribe and share and let the world know. But this now is the round of 16 FA Cup match roundup. Beginning on Monday, where Portsmouth hosted Arsenal, and Arsenal went down there, battered them 2-0, come out, head out, and walk into the quarterfinals. The next day, you have Chelsea versus Liverpool, where Liverpool were battered by Chelsea down at Stamford Bridge, where they pack their things and move out as fast as possible. This is a match where, as a neutral, I really did enjoy that match, and I enjoy seeing Liverpool getting battered. No bad man thing. Anyways, now the next match was West Brom versus Newcastle, and it was a very good match, and Newcastle came out of that victorious with a 3-2 deficit over West Brom. Next match was Reading versus Sheffield United, a very intense match. Went into extra time, and Sheffield United overthrew them and got the match over in extra time with a 2-1 deficit. Now the next match from that was Sheffield Wednesday versus Man City. Quite boring match. Man City totally dominated the game, but only won the game by 1-0. Man City move on to the quarterfinals. The next game was Leicester City playing Birmingham. Leicester City fought. It was a hard fought match because Birmingham decided that they wanted something out of the game. But Leicester City, knowing that they are from the league, the English Premier League, and had a higher tier from them, they overthrew them. But it was a very good game. Now, the final match of that day was Tottenham versus Norwich, and this is a match in which I really enjoyed. It was always good to see Tottenham Hotspurs fall out of a trophy or a cup competition. It's always good to see. Anyways, just the same, they laughed at me when we get knocked out of Europa League, so I'm laughing. No, you got knocked out of FA Cup. No trophy for you guys. They got knocked out by Norwich, in which it was a penalty shootout. Very good game, but like a daisical from Tottenham Hotspurs, and poor performance from Jose Mourinho and his men. The final FA Cup match was Derby County versus Manchester United. And basically, he's the Bruno Fernandes at it again. Igalo with 2 braces. And Manchester United just walked out and battered Derby County, and then just stepped away with the 3 points. Now, they are all now in the quarterfinals, and what I have here is the quarterfinals draw, which would be held on the 21st of Saturday 21st of March. Sorry, my bad. Anyways, where you see Newcastle hosting Manchester City, and Leicester City hosting Chelsea, Sheffield United hosting Arsenal, Norwich hosting Manchester United. Come on, Norwich. Come on, Norwich. Come on, Norwich. Do some work again. And, I think Chelsea might go home after this. But anyways, Arsenal's going to win their match. Not the title, but their match. I think this one is slated for Manchester City. But let's see how that goes. But anyways, this has been the FA Cup roundup. A very good game. Pre-week game and midweek game, I should say. It was a very good midweek game, and I got my good moments. My win, Tottenham loss, and Liverpool losing as also. Well, very good midweek games. But moving on to match weekend, where Arsenal will be hosting West Ham. That will come from a different preview, and keep on tuning in. Thank you very much for subscribing and enjoying this content, and I'll continue to give more and more vids. Anyways, bless up.